Hey, what's up, people? It's your man, Will. Hey, I just want to make this video to let you all know that I am in Kenya at a resort called Diani Sea Resort. And I'm here for a couple of days with me and my family. We're just checking out the area, checking out Kenya, checking out the Diani Beach area. And I'm just going to clip together some videos just for you all to see everything about this resort and this area. So I hope you all can enjoy it and check it out. But I'm enjoying my time here. It's a real dope resort, real dope area. It's a lot of people here. It's a lot of native people here that's working really hard. The service here is impeccable. You also have the beach boys that's out here selling their goods, trying to make a living. So I just want to just show you all some clips on exactly what I see here, and hopefully one day you all can come check it out too. Leave a comment and tell me what you all think. All right. About to get on a train to Mombasa from Nairobi. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your man, Will. I'm on a train ride from Nairobi to Mombasa. It's about a 6-hour ride, and I'm just enjoying the view, so I hope y'all can see this. Just getting off the train, everybody leaving. On our way to Diani Beach. There's a lot of people out here. It's hot too. It's about 90, 95.
My family, they're in Tanzania.
Oh, Tanzania. Oh, okay. Where at? Where at? Like Dar es?
No. I got from Arusha.
Arusha. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
My mom's a Kenyan, my dad is a Tanzanian.
Okay.
And we do business from Tanzania to Kenya.
Yeah, okay.
That comes through the boots. Kenya, Tanzania to Kenya. Passport linkage.
Okay. I've been to Dar es Salaam before.
Really?
Yeah.
I was working there.
Yeah, Dar es
I
Salaam.
worked in Zanzibar.
Yeah, I went to Zanzibar too.
You went to Zanzibar too?
Yeah.
But the level in Tanzania is cheap, not like Kenya.
Yeah.
It's more double like 3 times 6. But the quality.
Yeah, you're right.
The quality is down to my own country, but Kenya is very expensive.
Yes, it's very
Like now when I moved to Tanzania, like a budget of 50,000 Kenya money, when I go to Tanzania, I'm a boss there. It's not me, I'm a leader because they got there for well. Because when I just do business in Tanzania and Kenya, you see how they like it.
Right.
But